Singular nouns are the building blocks of language, referring to just one person, place, or thing. Think about it. When you say cat, you're talking about one furry friend. Or when you mention banana, you're referring to a single piece of fruit. Singular nouns are everywhere in our daily lives. They include words like house, girl, foot, and country. Each of these words points to just one entity, making them essential for clear communication. Now, let's dive into plural nouns. Plural nouns are all about quantity. They refer to more than one of something. The simplest way to form a plural noun is by adding an s at the end. For instance, bee becomes bees. Easy, right? But not all nouns follow this straightforward rule. Some nouns that already end with an s need a little extra help. For example, class turns into classes, and bus becomes buses. Then, we have those tricky singular nouns that change their spelling entirely when they become plural. Take country, for example. The plural form is countries. Or consider baby, which changes to babies. These variations keep our language dynamic and interesting. Now let's talk about irregular plural nouns. These are the ones that don't follow the usual rules and can be a bit of a puzzle. For instance, man becomes men, and wolf changes to wolves. You might also notice that foot turns into feet. And here's a fun one. Sheep stays sheep, whether it's one or many. Irregular plural nouns can be a challenge, but they add richness to our language. Let's explore a few more examples of irregular plurals. The word person changes to people. Life becomes lives, and mouse turns into mice. And don't forget tooth, which changes to teeth. These irregular forms are essential to know, as they often pop up in everyday conversation. So, when you're speaking or writing, remember the difference between singular and plural nouns. Singular nouns help you specify one item, while plural nouns allow you to express a larger quantity. This distinction is crucial for clarity in communication. As you continue to learn, keep an eye out for those irregular forms and the rules for making nouns plural. They're all around us, and mastering them will enhance your language skills. Whether you're describing a single cat or a whole group of countries, understanding singular and plural nouns will make your communication clearer and more effective.